Only 1% can solve this. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. What is Australia's national animal? Kangaroo. Which ocean surrounds Australia? Indian. What is the largest city in Australia? Sydney. What is the Australian currency? Dollar. Which famous rock is in Australia? Uluru. What is Australia known as? The island continent. Which animal is native to Australia? Koala. What do Australians call their country? Australia. What is the largest state in Australia? Western Australia. Which reef is famous in Australia? Great Barrier Reef. What sport is very popular in Australia? Cricket. What is the name of Australia's longest river? Murray River. What season is in Australia during December? Summer. What is the national bird of Australia? Emu. Which Australian city hosted the 2000 Olympics? Sydney. What is Australia's national gemstone? Opal. What is a common Australian greeting? Hello, mate. Which animal has a pouch? Kangaroo. What is the Australian flag's main colours? blue, white, red. In which hemisphere is Australia located? South. Which country is closest to Australia? New Zealand. What is the famous Australian desert called? Simpson Desert. Which Australian city has the Opera House? Sydney. What is the Australian nickname for the outback? The bush. What is the Australian favorite food? Meat pie. Which Australian animal lays eggs? Platypus. What is the Australian national flower? Golden wattle. What is an Australian slang word for barbecue? Barbie. Which Australian animal is known for jumping? Kangaroo. Out of 30 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.